The ones they had before, snap and rack. These are the new ones, the Pegasus, the built-in flashing. You see how the goo on the inside that comes down to seal it. Slide up, release, then screw into the holes, and ready to go. Alright, so that's the stud right there. And then when you're ready, you're going to slide this up, which will release the liquid in the bottom, and then screw this one first, and then this one second. Alright, go for it.
Drill. You said release first, right?
Yep. Alright. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Next one. You got the socket, you got the stud, right?
Yeah.
Alright, because it got the stud, we just need to put two and that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Bro.